if we went to anywhere like in a public place, from there we can boost our confidence level. So in standing class, it is that we can improve our confidence level.
Did you ever planned you will be non-Japanese?
Till the 12th class, I had not planned about it, because till the 10th class, I want to become a bank manager. But somehow reason I left this because I chose art side. From the art side, we can't become a banker. We can't become a bank manager.
No, you can do.
No.
Yeah.
But I just
Probably that time she missed the thought.
Yeah, because nobody guides me about this.
Okay.
So till 12th, I didn't think about what should I do after the 12th. But after the 12th, I was thinking about I should do SSC, because many of the friends was doing this. So, but I did not take my interest in SSC. So that's why I leave it. And from our tuition teachers friend side, we come to know about the Japanese language, because from there we can earn more, because in this line there are not much competition. That's why I chose it.
In Japanese.
Can we have some more question, guys? I think you should ask.
Yeah. What is the main reason to join the only for the exclusive Japanese classes?
Question, yeah. Many of the languages are in India, like Chinese, as well as many of the people know about
Reason wise.
Spanish, French. But as everybody know, the relation of Japan and India is increased day by day, and many of the Japanese company are come in India.
Innovation of the technology.
Yeah, definitely. So that's why now time many of the Japanese companies are in India. So that's why we think about that. Like if we learn Chinese language, so like there is no scope. We have to go to China and we will work there. So that's why we chose Japanese language.
Sneha, one question I would ask related to the class actually. When you came very first time to me, and after 5 months, it's been 5 months since you've been the regular student of the class. What changes do you see in yourself?
Sir, when I was come there, I felt I didn't have any confidence level, because basically I am from government school and Hindi medium. So as you know, in a government school they didn't teach about the English language.
Harshit, can you please say?
Hindi
You come here.
So we have a only subject of English, and a part of this, the all subjects is in Hindi. So my English was very, very bad, and even I didn't speak a word in front of anyone. But I also took a 1 month leave from the classes. But however, I feel confidence now, and I think I improved much better than before.
Okay, what's your coming target like? In coming days, do you think about that you should take your English level some another level?
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's for improving myself. I am also learning vocabularies, and as well as some new sentences. You teach us about that, and many of the chapters. So I am thinking that within 3 to 4 months, I will improve my English in which level I want.
Very good, very good. Guys, is there any question you want to ask? Please.
So in your previous answer, you said that you chose Japanese because of competition. So now do you have any opinion about the competition? Because
Yeah.
as we know that there is a lot of competition.
As you know, Kumkum, like our tuition teacher friends told us about after N-work, you will get a job. But when we actually come to know about there is many of the competition increased day by day. Because 5 years ago there was no competition, because nobody know about the Japanese language. But now time, approximately in Delhi, thousands of people, approximately 10,000 above the people know about the Japanese language. So now we can't say there is no competition in Japanese language. Yeah.
Guys, sometimes, teacher like me, I really, work very hard from the very first day. I understand teaching is never easy job like other job. From the very bottom to till, like the upper level, it's really been very hard. And I feel about like the way, she is speaking. I think this is something like a student can, give the happy moment to the teacher. So I'm very much happy. I'm very much pleased the way you are going. I know it's never easy to all of a sudden to speak in front of 20, 30 or, many people. But the way you started, the way you came, you made the toughest job in as an easy mode. So give a big hand to Sneha, please.